On the street, she want roll with bad man, gyal.
Yeah, brother, man, tell you something. Who went last night, brother? You are the biggest part of that. Oh, shit. It's a miracle there. Woo. Hi, beautiful.
Hello.
What? What's the problem?
My car is broken down. You want to help me fix it?
Huh?
You want to help me fix my car?
Sure. Fix anything for you, baby girl. Like, what's the problem though?
It's over there.
Over there?
Yeah.
Where? You can show me over there, son? Show me over there. Where?
It's over here.
Show me again, show me again.
It's over there.
Yeah, man. Over there, so. I'm sorry, you can't take up that for me, though. Let me see. You know, I can't fix something. I fix my lock, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, man. I tell you if I fix my lock. So, what's your name?
Angeli?
Angeli?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a beautiful name like you. So, you're not my boyfriend?
Not really.
Anyway, that no matter me still, you see, but me fix the problem for you, you see. You can try, you know, try if it'll work because me know say me fix something a lot, man. Yeah. Yeah, man, you can't shut it off now. Me find the problem. Shut it off, shut it off. Yaadvybz, I fix the car, man.
Oh yeah, but somebody fixed it for me.
So, we can't get the number, though.
Sorry, I got a man.
You got a what?
I got a man.
A man?
Yeah.
So you really remember they say I fix I have a man?
Because I just need your help. Like, you asked
I
me.
use you try use man, you know. I use you try use me, you know. Yo, so that brother, yeah?
That's my man.
So me, you know what? Yo, brother, fix that here, man. I don't know what they're doing. Fix that.